Now it's time to put the roof headliner back in. And then we got Toby here. Toby, what's up? What's up, dude? He's gonna be helping us.
Alright guys, so we're here back working on the Legacy 2018. We're going to take apart the interior today and get it ready for new airbags, new headliner, and seat belts. So let's start tearing it apart. We're also going to take all the seats out because it's pretty dirty inside, so we're going to just clean everything and then put it back in. So let's get to work.
So we have a feeling.
We'll stab it with this.
What is it? And we have a feeling there's a rat in here or a mouse. Because look at those.
Yeah, eat all those wires.
Something chewed up all those wires. So we're trying to take it apart and.
A mouse from Florida.
Yeah, exotic tropical mouse. It's probably from Judah's garage from Florida. So let's take this apart and see where we're gonna find. Maybe underneath this thing or underneath the carpet somewhere.
CD? Oh, a bunch of CD.
What is that? Those under the seat? Okay. What kind of CDs are there?
Queen. Eminem.
Okay. That Kendrick Lamar.
The Young Giant. Oh, look at him.
Dang, okay. Green Day, look at a Green Day.
Green
CD.
Day.
Frank Ocean, J. Cole. Dang, somebody doesn't have a MP3 player or something, you know, nowadays it's... What is that, manual?
See if there's any money in there.
No money. They're just CD covers.
Well, that's cool. No mouse yet.
Yet.
Surprised it didn't chew through this. Okay.
So before taking off the roof and the roof airbag here, well, the ceiling here, we popped off these seat belts, these side pieces here and there. Now we're gonna take apart everything that connects on top and hopefully get it removed here in no time.
No time.
No time.
Alright guys, so we got the left side airbag, roof airbag out. We do have a replacement for the left side. We're still waiting on the right one to come in. So we're just gonna put this back in because we're already here and everything's taken apart. So we're gonna put the left one in, take the right one out, and then we'll just, what else we got to do?
Put your left foot in, put your right foot out.
and then yeah, so we'll pull this one out and then we'll wait for it to come in, and I think it'll probably be part of this video for you guys. It might be a next day for us, but for you guys it'll be the same day. So yeah, let's get this airbag put in and we'll just go from there.
As you guys seen, I did absolutely nothing to help to take this interior apart in the airbags, but here you guys go. The interior is taken apart. As you guys seen, we're putting the airbag in because we had it. This one we don't have it yet, so it's not gonna go in. Put some zip ties up here for all the sensors and all that. But yeah, here it is, airbag. We need an airbag for that. Back seat is off. Here's what we got here so far. It's been a couple days since the last clip you guys seen, but so we got the seat belts in, we got the roof airbags all in, and it's all pretty clean as you guys could see. Time to put the interior back together. Also got the wheel airbag in right there. Now it's time to put the roof headliner back in. And then we got Toby here. Toby, what's up? What's up, dude? He's gonna be helping us. Okay, so the headliner is in. The tricky part is when you're putting it in to make sure you're not to crease it. We put it in through that back driver side door over here. You guys seen that? But everything looks to be all good. Ran the wires through for the lights, for the eyesight, all the lights. The backlight works. All we have to put some handles right here, that side. But put the rubbers here, and then still need to put that to complete the interior. But for the headliner, this is it. All looks good. No major creases. There's a couple creases over there in that back corner, but no big deal. so you guys seen the interior is basically done. We got the headliner up and just one seat that's we still need to do some connection. Anyways, we'll get that done. Pretty clean, got it all cleaned out. Next is the frame. The frame is a little out. It's gonna, you know, there's a little line, so hopefully we could get this done and knocked out ASAP, but we're gonna take it to somebody that's gonna do the frame for us. Hopefully we could get some videos, which I think we should, at least some. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys are staying safe, everybody's good, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.